India dance forms. In this video, we are going to see different dance forms of India. Kuchipudi. Kuchipudi originated in a village named Kuchipudi in Andhra Pradesh. It is a dance drama performance with vocal and instrumental Carnatic music in Telugu. A Kuchipudi performance includes a Sutradhara who is the conductor of the entire performance. He recites the musical syllables and uses cymbals to produce rhythmic beats. Bharatanatyam. Bharatanatyam, also previously called Sadhirattam, is a major form of Indian classical dance that originated in Tamil Nadu. All the dance forms are structured around 9 rasas or emotions. Mohiniyattam. Mohiniyattam is a dance form that originated in Kerala. It derives its name from Mohini, a female avatar of Lord Vishnu. The present-day dance form evolved under the patronage of the Maharaja of the Kingdom of Travancore, Swati Tirunal Ramavarma, a poet and brilliant music composer himself. Kathak. Origin: Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan. The origin of Kathak is traditionally attributed to the travelling bards of ancient northern India known as Kathakars or storytellers. Katha means story in Sanskrit. Kathak evolved during the Bhakti movement in India. Kathakali. Kathakali is a dance form that originated in Kerala. It is famous for the elaborately colorful makeup, costumes, and face masks worn by the dancers. The traditional themes are folk mythologies, religious legends, and spiritual ideas from Hindu epics and Puranas. Manipuri. Manipuri dance originated in Manipur. It is well known for its themes of Vaishnavism, Saivism, Shaktism, and regional deities such as Umanglai. The Manipuri dance is a team performance with its own unique costumes and aesthetics. Odissi. Odissi is a classical dance form that originated in Odisha. Its technique is built around a basic motif in which the human body takes the thrice deflected position of Indian culture. Satriya. Satriya is one of the 8 principal classical Indian dance traditions of Assam in India. Satriya dance form was introduced in the 15th century AD by the great Vaishnava saint and reformer of Assam, Mahapurusha Shankaradeva, as a powerful medium for propagation of the Vaishnava faith. Chau. Chau dance is a semi-classical Indian dance with martial, tribal, and folk traditions. The Chau dance is mainly performed during festivals in the region of West Bengal, Jharkhand, Odisha. Bhangra. Bhangra is a folk dance of Punjab. It is associated with the spring harvest festival Baisakhi, a very energetic and lively performance. It is a part of joyous celebrations. Bhangra is danced to the rhythm of a drum known as a dhol. Yakshagana. Yakshagana is a traditional theatre form that combines dance, music, dialogue, costume, makeup, and stage techniques with a unique style and form. It is found in Karnataka. A Yakshagana performance is traditionally presented from dusk to dawn. Its stories are drawn from Ramayana, Mahabharata, Bhagavata, and other epics from Hindu and Jain traditions. Kalaripayattu. Kalaripayattu, with its origin in Kerala, is a form of martial art. It is also performed in a folk dance form. Legend traces the art form to sage Parsurama, the master of all martial art forms. Kalaripayattu was the form of comeback of dynasties like Cholas, Cheras, and the Pandyas. Garba. Garba is a form of dance which originated in Gujarat. The traditional dance is performed around a lamp or a picture or statue of goddess Durga. It is celebrated on a grand scale during Navaratri festival. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.